Hey everybody, Mike Dingler here, Firehouse Pressure Washing LLC out of Peachtree City, Georgia. Today I wanted to talk about insurance, and I know that a lot of contractors you find say they're licensed and insured. So basically, I just wanted to discuss what that really means and why we need insurance. So, as a pressure washing contractor, we have general liability insurance. So that basically means that our autos are covered under a commercial auto policy and things of that nature. And we have general liability, which is basically it just covers anything that we would damage while working on your home. So it goes from everywhere from, a tree or something being uprooted, like a small ornamental tree. One of our hoses catches it, or a plant or a flower or something like that, to, catastrophic events and everything in between. So we have general liability insurance, and we're covered through Nationwide Insurance, and I work with their agents close to do all of our insurance. So not only do we have general liability insurance, but we have workers' comp insurance. So we need general liability, every contractor does, to cover what they're working on. Workers' comp covers who's working on it. So basically, I just wanted to basically explain the three types of insurance in the pressure washing industry that are sometimes misconstrued, sometimes misunderstood. So, licensed and insured. Well, some people would say, well, I'm licensed and insured because I have a driver's license and I have insurance on my car. Well, that's great. Most people do, but that has nothing to do with a contractor's business or running a pressure washing or any other kind of service where you go to someone's home and provide a service on their home, fixing their home or washing their home like we do, or anything in between. Licensed and insured has nothing to do with that. Licensed is you have a license, a business license from the county that you work in. So we work in Peachtree City. We have a Peachtree City business license and a Fayette County business license. Also, the insured part that people would say is basically we have what we have in the pressure washing world. We have a ghost policy, which most contractors do. We have a true workers' comp policy. And then in pressure washing, we take it one step further, and we have an above heights, or working from heights above ground workers' comp policy. So when any company decides to get into business, they will sometimes purchase a ghost policy just so they have an insurance on paper, a workers' comp policy on paper. That allows the contractor to get commercial jobs, working for builders, things of that nature. But a ghost policy is just that. It covers a ghost. It covers no one. It covers you, and then you sign a piece of paper saying that you're exempt from the policy. So basically, it's a $1,600 piece of paper that a contractor uses to get by in the system and say that they have workers' comp, but they have excluded themselves with workers' comp. So you can go that route, but none of your guys are covered. You're not covered, and basically you have a piece of paper. One step above that, in pressure washing and painting and things of that nature, there's a from ground policy. So basically, anything that happens while you're driving down the road with your guys, or anything that happens while you're working around someone's home, their home is covered with the general liability, and their workers are covered with the from ground policy. You take it one step further in pressure washing, painting, and all that kind of stuff, and you get an above ground workers' comp policy. That is what we here at Firehouse Pressure Washing have. Basically, if someone comes to your home and they get injured on your property, they can sue you. If they have workers' comp, then their workers are covered. But if the pressure washing or roof cleaning company that you select does not have an above ground workers' comp policy, you're still in jeopardy from facing a lawsuit. Because as soon as their workers leave the ground, the grass, your yard, your sidewalk, your driveway, as soon as they step on a ladder, if they don't have an above ground workers' comp policy, then they're not covered, and you're still liable, and you're still at risk to be in a lawsuit. So basically, I just wanted to advise you of those three different types of workers' comp policies and the general liability, and just tell you that we here at Firehouse Pressure Washing, we cover basically all bases. We've got a general liability, we've got commercial auto, and we have a true above ground workers' comp policy, which is, in my opinion, the only way to go if you are going to have a pressure washing business, because sometimes you cannot pressure wash everything from the ground. Sometimes your guys have to be on ladders. And just be sure that whoever you select, if you don't go with us, if you go with someone else, be sure that they're insured properly to be on your property. And just wanted to give you a quick video outlining that. Feel free to give us a call if you have any questions, 770-468-0014. You can visit our website at www.firehousepowerwash.com. And remember, no one is better with water than a firefighter on his day off. Thanks. Have a good day.